Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn Southern Nest. Today I'm just tidying up the kitchen and switching around some decor that I had in here. I felt like the arrangements on the top of the cabinets were a little bit more spring and summer, so I wanted to switch those out, and so I'm just kind of decorating as I tidy up the things in the kitchen today. I hope you guys enjoy. Of course, Sunny D had to walk by. He always makes an appearance in all my videos. Of course, I didn't know it until I was editing this. Such a funny guy. So I get all of my cleaning products on grovecollaborative.com. It's a subscription service, but you can change what you get each month. They just have clean products, no harsh chemicals. So my favorite one to use on my sink is just a dish soap by Mrs. Meyer's. It's in the peony scent. It's my favorite scent of all time. I am excited about getting the fall scents this year. I love the apple cider one. And I believe they do have a pumpkin one this year too that I want to smell. And then just for my counters, I use the Caldrea brand in the sea salt neroli. It smells amazing, you guys. So definitely check that out if you haven't already. So if you are interested in learning more about Grove Collaborative, I do have a referral code in the description of this video, and that will give you 5 free products just for signing up. This isn't sponsored, I just really love their services and they have really great products. So here I'm just switching out some of the florals that I have above my cabinets. I decided to take out the white florals and the lavender. I'm going to keep the lamb's ear and the other greenery. Just because our walls are green, I like to have that balance. And then I'm just adding in some cotton stems and then some stems that have like an orange flower just to bring in some fall vibes. So this part I've kind of been putting off because I know it just takes so much time just to get them like just right. So just be patient with it if you're working with florals. Just kind of mess around with it until it looks right. So as I was editing this video, I realized that I cleaned that mail slot probably like 2 or 3 times. I'm such a weirdo, but it is now clean, you guys. So as you can see, I decided to go ahead and restyle this antique mail slot. I felt like it was a little bit crowded, so I just wanted to clean it out and then restyle it to be more simplified. I seriously wish I could keep these pumpkins up all year. I love the white contrast against the mail slot of the wood. I just think it's a cool look. I believe I got these at the Target dollar spot a few years ago, so anytime I see them there, I always pick some up. So I get a lot of questions on this faux marble tray that I have in my kitchen. I picked it up at the store called At Home. They have such amazing decor and very reasonable, so I highly suggest you checking them out. And of course I had to save my styled sink for last. I went super simple with it. That's kind of the theme right now. I just added this thankful towel from Target, a little pumpkin, and then just my soap and wash your hands sign just to keep it really neutral. So I think the overall theme in my kitchen right now is very simple, little touches of fall here and there, but keeping it clean and free of clutter, because I do a lot of cooking in my kitchen, so I don't want to have to move decor out of the way in order for it to be functional as a kitchen. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today. You can catch more details over on my blog at robynsouthernnest.com. Bye-bye, guys.